Hello everyone. You must be thinking what I am doing with these utensils. I am trying to make a building. Do you all try to do all these things with your blogs, with other things, with cards? Yes? I am not able to make it properly. But I want to make a tall building like Burj Khalifa. Yes? It is the tallest building in the world. Did you ever think, was it easy for the engineers and other workers for making such tall building? No, it wasn't. Do you think it is easier to make another monuments like these so easily? Now you must be thinking, what do you mean by monument? Monument means a structure or a building made for remembering a person or some historical event. For example, if some place or some region got freedom, if they achieved something, so they make a monument to remember that historical day. It is also made for some famous people to remember them. Like we have made the Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity was made to remember Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, one of the freedom fighter of our country and our first home minister. Yes, it is the tallest statue in the world. You can also see some monuments in our own Ahmedabad also. Like many monuments are there in Sarkhej Roza. You can also see Jama Masjid. You must have visited Panch Kua, Teen Darwaza, and many other examples are there. So today I am going to show you a video on famous monuments in the world. See, even my building is ready. So, my all little engineers, let's first know about the famous monument. Hello everyone, our today's topic is around the world. Today, I am going to tell you about few of the very famous places of the world. The first place is the Great Wall. It is situated in China. THE, the GREAT, great, WALL, wall, CHINA, China. Let me show you the picture. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is one of the greatest wall made in the world. It was made to protect China from the attacks by its enemies. There were many enemies on China's border and they always wanted to capture China. So the king of China decided to make this wall to protect its country. Its length is 21,196.18 kilometer. Can you guess how much distance does it cover? It almost stretches across 15 different provinces. Provinces means states. Like in India, we are having Punjab, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. In the same way, these are provinces, these are states. China, the Great Wall of China, covers almost 15 states of China. Being a huge project, the king allotted this work to about 3 lakh soldiers. 3 lakh soldiers initially started this work, but later on it was being difficult for them to make it. So even 5 lakh local people were told to help them in building this wall. The next picture you can see, yes, you can guess, it is the Statue of Liberty. First let me tell you the spelling. THE, the, STATUE, statue, of liberty, LIBERTY, liberty. It is situated in USA. Yes, United States of America. First of all, I tell you the meaning of liberty. It is symbol of liberty. That's the reason they have named it the Statue of Liberty. But what do you mean by liberty? The meaning of liberty is freedom. This is the symbol of freedom which America received. That's the reason they made this statue. Now, actually, this statue was not made by America solely. It is a gift of France to America as a token of friendship. The Statue of Liberty was not built in America, but it was built in France. The France decided to make this statue and give it to America as a token of friendship to show the world that France and USA are friends and will always be in their problem in their bad times. It was brought into pieces from France to New York. It was made actually in France. Even the engineers were of France. They made it there, and from there they bought it in New York, and then it was assembled in New York City. You know, there are around 354 steps in it. You can guess out that how much tall this building stands. Its height is 305 feet. Come, we'll move forward to the next monument. Yes, you all can see it. You all can also guess it. Yes, it is the Great Pyramids of Egypt. First, I'll tell you the spelling of the name. T-H-E, the, G-R-E-A-T, Great, P-Y-R-A-M-I-D-S, Pyramids. I repeat, P-Y-R-A-M-I-D-S, Pyramids. They are situated in Egypt. E-G-Y-P-T, Egypt. It was built by one of the oldest civilization in the world, the Egyptian civilization, around 5,000 years back. Yes, it is one of the very oldest monuments in the world. Yes, it is also one of the 7 wonders of the world. The highest pyramid stands for 455 feet high. Yes, this height is a huge height. It was built for a pharaoh. Pharaoh means king in Egyptian language. His name was Khufu. Now, let me tell you the reason why the Egyptian built pyramids. Egyptian people buried the dead bodies of kings and ministers inside the pyramid. But do you know why? Any idea? Let me tell you. There is a belief in Egyptian civilization that when people die, after that they get a new life. So they always thought that inside the pyramid they will have new life. Not only the dead body of king, but also food and other essential items were also placed inside the pyramid. Do you know, it took almost 20 years to build the Great Pyramid? Yes, and it is built on the river bank of Nile. Nile River is the longest river in the world. Total, there are around 80 pyramids in the world. The next famous place which we are going to see is Opera House. The Sydney Opera House. It is situated in Australia, Sydney Harbour. Spelling of opera is O-P-E-R-A, Opera, H-O-U-S-E, House, and it is situated in Australia, A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A. Can you see its shape? Yes, it is shaped like the sails of a boat. Yes, isn't it a unique design of the building? That's the Queen of Australia, Elizabeth II, actually inaugurated the Opera House. It almost consists of 1,000 rooms. These 1,000 rooms are few of the performances halls, kitchen, cafes, restaurants, even hotels are built inside this Opera House. Hosts about 1,500 performances every year. Now the last but not the least, Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is built in France. The spelling of Eiffel is E-I-F-F-E-L, Eiffel, T-O-W-E-R, Tower. It is situated in France, Paris, F-R-A-N-C-E, France. First of all, I tell you the actual reason why the Eiffel Tower was built. It was built as the entrance arch for World's Fair in 1889. In year 1889, France organized a World's Fair where a lot of engineers participated and showed their architect and engineering skills in it. So the Eiffel Tower was built as their entrance arch in the France. It is named after Gustave Eiffel, its engineer. The name of the engineer who designed it and who built it is Gustave Eiffel. It is named after his surname Eiffel. It is made up of iron and weighs around 10,000 tons. Oh, such a huge weight it is having. And its height is 1050 feet. But do you know one thing about its height? Every year in summer season, it increases its height for around 6 to 7 inch. Isn't it something you were not knowing? And strange? Yes, because the iron used inside the building, it stretches due to the heat in summer season. That's the reason in summer the height of Eiffel Tower increases around 6 to 7 inches.